Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our family. It's Igor, Nitu and Adriel. He's sleeping. He's sleeping already. So today, Nitu, what are we going to do today?
Today we are going to plant some seeds.
That sounds so awkward, planting some seeds. Okay, we are planting some plants on our backyard, guys, and basically it's summer. It's finally, we are going.
Skip spring. Did we skip spring?
Did we skip spring? No, Nitu, it just started.
Okay.
The spring just started. You see, our grass is not green anymore. Not yet, I mean. Not yet green. It's like, now I finally understand Britishers, guys. I have never understood the saying, the grass is always greener on the other side. Now look at my grass, I can tell you for sure that other people's grass is greener than mine. 100%. So today we are doing some gardening, guys. So we are doing some gardening. I was making some charcoal barbecue, some really nice pork chops in this one yesterday. It's our watering stuff. By the way, guys, I want to show you something cool. Like, Canada has so much of technologies, right? Like, I'm sure Ukraine has the same stuff, but I will show you something really interesting. So, check this out. Like this thing, you can set up time in minutes, and it really counts the time. Listen, it's ticking. So, it turns on the water for some time. And this is another piece of technology that I love, because I used to just hold a hose and put my finger in between to spray something. But this is, check this out. Like, so cool. You can even water Nitu from here. Now the coolest thing about this, guys, is that you can actually turn it and it's going to change. See? Really cool technologies, guys. Guys, welcome to Quarantine Diaries Day 1. Nitu?
It's not day one actually. But whatever. Well, we are trying to make our backyard into one of those beautiful Albertan parks. Well, it's not going to be like that, but no bears, but there's one.
There's one bear. So what Nitu is saying today is that she's saying we cannot go outside, we cannot go to the park, so we might as well turn our own backyard into
a park.
So Nitu, what are you doing with this one?
So this one is a Star Sister Scarlet. Scarlet and yellow. So scarlet is supposed to be a color. I thought it's the name of a woman.
I don't know. All I know is a Scarlet Monastery in World of Warcraft that I played. It was like everything red inside.
Okay, so this is Dahlia.
So this is the color Scarlet, I think. But
Yeah.
for some reason, I'm pretty sure when we bought it, there was another piece of the flower.
Yes, but when we put it inside the car dicky, it went missing.
Oh, I wonder who drives like that.
Curious case of Benjamin Wood.
This is what we are doing during this coronavirus stuff happening everywhere. Planting the flowers. So this is what we have. We have positioned the flowers like this, where we want to plant them. So this one is, see, it's like darker color. This one is like they say scarlet color. It's like a red. This is dark red. That flower. These are strawberries. So they are already. They're already having flowers like this. See? And the good thing is, guys, here in Canada, when you buy something, this came from Superstore, for example, on the back, it gives you all the directions on what it needs. See? Full sun, 30 to 45 days, grows 6 to 8 inches tall. See? Stays to minus 29 degrees. It's really interesting stuff, guys. Now, I have some more flowers that are going to go into the front. Now these ones are perennial, so they leave even in winter, like coral bells. This one, for example, over here, in Russian it's called zhivuchka. Basically it's like, in Russian it means that it's a basically undying plant, and zhivuchka it's like a living, like the one that leaves. You know, basically what they're saying is that it can withstand drought, it can live in many conditions, but if you pull this out, it stays in temperatures up to -40. All you have to do is just have to use this tool like this, and like this here. Oh, like this here. Oh, I'm going to fall on top of you. I'm new to having a house. I'm new to gardening. We did some aeration. You see, this stuff, it's not my cat's poop or dog's poop, okay? It's soil. There are holes here. So there was a company, they came, they said we'll aerate your grass. It will grow like crazy. So we paid them and they did aerate it. Still, grass looks like Resident Evil Part 2. Yellow, somewhere green over there. Hopefully it's going to turn green. But we have lots of things to do. Next thing we have is some grass for the cat, and we have parsley. So we want to actually plant parsley. The lemon is planted here. We want to have like a garden, maybe somewhere that way. Flowers that grow in the sun on this side. Some shade flowers, so you can live in the shade over there. I don't know what I can plant there because it's too dark over there. And some perennials in the front. Those two flowers are planted. That one is there, that one, that one. And in addition to all these flowers over here, I have parsley growing over here. Now, this is, guys, how it looks right now. And it's going to get even better from now on. It's how the backyard is going to look. Once this stuff grows green, it's going to be beautiful. Tomorrow, I'm going to be planting in the front of the house. And I'll also do some work on the other side, on that side of the house. Now there is one plant planted over here, but see, I didn't remove all the weeds yet here, so there is still some work on this side. But that side is done for now. Grass is watered, flowers are watered, everything is beautiful. I might be even adding a little bit of this home fertilizer next to each flower. We'll see. So here is our 2 days update on what's happening to the flowers. I thought that you might be interested in what happened after we planted it. Well, here's the story. This one doesn't look fresh anymore, and we read online it has to be in a different soil. Too much of water here. This one is still beautiful as it was. This one is, I think it's fine, because there's more flowers to come. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll be able to see what happened next. This one is doing awesome. This one, you say it might not look good, but actually there's some more flowers coming out. Same story with this one. That's fresh. Raspberry is good. Guys, so this is the update on how the flowers are doing. If you want to see more, leave a comment down below. I would be interested to know if you like this kind of content. So let me know, guys. Subscribe to this channel to see more. We will see you in the next video. See you on our family channel. See you soon.